Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset all your settings from the Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings, and search for the option named General Management. Here, now scroll down, click on the reset, and there is a few options. This is the option reset all settings. So as you see, the settings will be reset is the security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, setting for the download apps, and this all will be reset when you click this button. So that's it about the reset function of your phone. In this case, you will don't lose any data. So this is only for reset the settings when your phone is have some software issues that settings could be help. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.